If you want to change your residential address on Amazon for digital purchases and don't know where to start, this guide will help you understand the process in a simple and easy way. Many beginners face issues while buying digital products because the address settings are not updated correctly. In this video, I'll walk you through each step so you can fix it without any confusion. First, open the Amazon app or website and sign into your account using your email or mobile number and password. Once you're logged in, go to the Your Account section by tapping on your profile icon or the menu option. From here, look for the Your Addresses option and open it. Now you will see a list of all saved addresses in your account. To change your residential address, you can either edit an existing address or add a new one. Tap on Edit next to your current address and update details like name, street, city, state, and PIN code. Make sure all the information is accurate, especially your country and region, because this affects digital purchases. For digital products like ebooks, apps, or subscriptions, Amazon uses your default address to determine availability and pricing. So after updating your address, make sure to set it as your default address. You can do this by selecting the option that says Set as Default. In some cases, you may also need to update your country settings. To do this, go to Manage Your Content and Devices, then open the Preferences tab and check your country or region settings. Update it if required and save the changes. After completing these steps, your new residential address will be applied to digital purchases. This helps avoid errors and ensures you can access the correct content based on your location. In short, update your address in the Address section, set it as default, and verify your country settings for smooth digital purchases. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this.